Taking out the outer strip here on the frame that holds the window in.
All right, all that's left is the top one.
Do those ever blow out or?
Not usually.
If you put the wrong size in.
Yeah. Final strip to release the window.
Quick, you want to run and set some pads in front of those bushes?
Yeah.
Getting ready to lift it out.
Right.
Okay, hold on a sec. Now you can go ahead and switch yourself around, but I just need to pry the block off of here.
Oh, I'm fine. I can walk backwards when I need you.
No, go ahead.
No, let's go backwards.
Do the switchy switch. Oh, do the switchy switch.
God,
There you go. Perfect.
I hate this. It's so weird.
Yeah, but the stuff is weird. Remember that?
All right, nice clear window now. Fits right into that vinyl frame. Makes it pretty easy to replace.
You don't want to set it on your finger.
You grab that.
You got it?
Does it fit right inside?
Should be alright. The way it's holding it down. Okay, the feeler.
Good mix.
Yeah, just get in.
Here we go.
Do you put the old one back in if it doesn't fit?
We usually measure beforehand, so if we don't think it's gonna fit, we won't take it out.
Oh, okay. Well, that's a good idea.
Yeah. Always measure before you take the window out.
Now for the big window.
Here's the bars are in my bucket.
Take the strips off. place to set it. Coast Guard.
So he was pretty much like,
Oh yeah, I forgot this one's separating.
they'll still cut. Yeah, I had a big shower door panel explode on me like
Oh,
2 weeks ago, and then I still got healing cuts from it.
so tempered isn't guaranteed to prevent
No, it's
injury.
just
Smaller cuts, it's less likely to be a shard or a big piece.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not gonna gash you open real good.
Okay.
Yeah, it won't go through the glove.
Alright, so I gotta clean up the other one now.
Cleaning off the old adhesive here.
Got an inheritance, bought all sorts of camera gadgets, and somebody stole it.
Oh.
I was taking my photography glass to see it. Yes, we do.
We're talking about YouTube, and people really enjoy watching things that you wouldn't think would be interesting, but that's okay.
One of my favorite things to watch is Smarter Every Day.
Oh,
He's a scientist guy, but you know he's always doing something that makes it helps things make sense of how things work and stuff. And
oh, that's cool.
it's like now I just picked up a Ryzen 7 processor for my kid likes to game at home. Now I'm putting together something fastly so my kid could use it.
If only the window glass would be so clear. Thank goodness it's a nice warm day.
Ready? There you go down to her feet. I forgot to put the box back.
Good job. Which way was it?
That part goes down in the groove.
Okay. Ready?
Ready?
Am I blocking up?
Oh no. Probably gonna have to have him run around and grab it.
Want me to grab it?
Yeah.
You got it?
Yep. Okay, we're in. Good.
It's like you're all taped up.
A little bit.
So that top piece is critical to hold that thing in, huh?
Yep.
Nice. All right, last strip.
Because they're not needed.
window cleaning time. Kitchen window time. 2 separate panels. It's a slider window. One window's out and working on window 2. Checking to make sure the replacement's going to fit.
Yeah.
We didn't take the blinds out of this one because we were told it wasn't necessary.
Atta girl.
One more window. It was an accident, okay?
We have the fixed window replaced and the slider was just lifted out. New one coming in a second. Hey Lindy, what do you think?
Pretty cat. I moved to Florida. My landlords at the first apartment I rented were from this area.
Huh. Doesn't surprise me, you see a lot of Florida plates around here.
My friend at the time was a doctor there, and she wasn't super concerned with COVID. Just a bad flu.
Yeah. There comes the slider window for the kitchen. Then it's a wrap. Perfect. We washed the windows, but there are some marks here. I sure hope that they can be buffed out. This mark goes all the way across the window. It's like during transportation, it was scuffed up. All of the windows replaced have flaws. That's a huge mark, ruining our view. What to do now?